Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Statewide CFR Committee. Thanks for coming. We'll go ahead and get started with our open session of the meeting. Please be advised that this is a public meeting in accordance with open door law that is being live streamed to the public and recorded. The recording will be archived and available to the public for no less than 90 days. By attending and participating in this meeting, you acknowledge and consent to the live streaming and recording of the meeting, including your image, voice, and any contributions you make. Again, welcome. We'll do introductions first. So we shall start right here in the room. I am Pam Ashby. I'm the Child Fatality Program Director with the Division of Family Health Data and Fatality Prevention. Gwen?
Hi, I'm Gwen Strickland. I'm the Violence Prevention Program Evaluator for the Indiana Department of Health.
Mark Fairchild, Executive Director of the Commission on Improving the Status of Children.
Jessica Morris, I'm the Suicide and Overdose Fatality Programs Director within the Division of Family Health Data and Fatality Prevention at IDOH.
That's a lot.
I know. It's DSP for all of the DSP people about to introduce themselves.
Jim Oliver with Prosecuting Attorney's Council.
Good morning.
Hi, I'm Olivia Shaw. I'm the Child and Adolescent Health Director with the Maternal and Child Health Division at IDOH.
Melissa Haywood, DCS Central Office Fatality Team.
Good morning, Olivia Hessler, Adolescent Fatality Prevention Coordinator in DFP at IDOH.
I'm Jamie Smith. I'm the Division Director for Family Health Data and Fatality Prevention.
Hi, everyone. I'm Haley Hannett. I'm the Epidemiology Director for DFP at the Indiana Department of Health.
Roland Core, Forensic Pathologist.
Joe Sims, Assistant Director for Strategic Initiatives from DCS.
Karen Thompson, Child Abuse Pediatrician at Riley.
And I'm Alex Meisel, I'm the Child Protection Fellow at Riley.
I'm Jason Murray, I'm the Prevention Specialist at the Department of Education.
Marisa Luoma, Child Abuse Pediatrician at Riley.
Hi, welcome, everybody. And virtually, will you please introduce yourself in the Q&A section? Jamie, can you see them popping up on there?
Well, seem like they can turn their mics on.
No. But there's a lot of people in the other room. Alexa Reed, Victims Advocate for the Adams County Prosecutor's Office. It's typed in the chat.
Some of the others on here is Allie Houston. She's our prevention director here at DFP. We have Chelsea Seha and Angela Guzman. There are our data specialists here at DFP. Abby Hummel is on here. She is with the prevention team at DFP. Alexis Bilta. She is the Suicide SDY Case Registry Program Manager. Janine Gross, she is the Suicide SDY Case Registry Coordinator. That's Alexa Breed. TH.
Terry Harbor. Good.
Terry. Yep, Terry Harbor, judge, retired judge. You see anybody? Oh, there's another section here. Let me see who else here. Susan Greider with DCS. She works with Melissa at Central Office. And Elise Madigan. She is prosecutor with Tippecanoe County. MH.
That is not me. I don't know.
MH and CG.
It looks like the MH is Martha Handley.
Martha
and then,
Handley.
And then I think the CG is Crystal.
Crystal, that makes sense, Crystal. Crystal is the Central Indiana CFR coordinator with DFP. Martha, is there any info about Martha, where she's from?
She does not have info on here.
Okay. Well, welcome, everybody. We'll go ahead and get started with the meeting.
Oh, she's from Marion Health. Sorry to interrupt you.
That's all right. Marion Health. Thank you. Provision, understanding the circumstances causing a child's death will help prevent other deaths, poor health outcomes, and injury or disability in other children. Our mission statement, the Statewide Child Fatality Review Committee will work to support the local child fatality review teams by providing guidance, expertise, and consultation, and analyzing and understanding the causes, trends, and system responses to child fatalities, and to make recommendations in law, policy, and practice to prevent child death in Indiana. So now we move on to statewide CFR committee business. Does anybody have anything that they would like to bring up, talk about, discuss?
I would like to bring up that we will be presenting again with DCS at the summer committee interim, I forget the proper name for it, in front of the legislature this fall about child fatality.
And I did have, from the Children's Commission, we were starting on following up from, I think, a little discussion we had at our last meeting. We have delayed responses or delayed attempts to call 911, looking at some campaign work on the 911 texting feature that a lot of people really haven't had awareness on, especially teens, especially those that are maybe a little bit phone phobic to begin with, and then it's very traumatic event on top of that, or peer pressure situation when people are saying don't you dare call anybody. Really investigating that a little bit more, because I think there's an avenue there that hasn't really been pursued in a public information campaign for a while.
Yeah.
Maybe since the Lifeline law time, I think, when that first rolled out. So we'll be investigating into that. If anybody's interested in that, Children's Commission's gonna poke around a little bit. I obviously, I think the health department's gonna be a good partner on that for Lake Union, Shea, and others.
Great.
Any progress in getting someone from Natural Resources to join this committee?
No, I was waiting for Mark to.
I don't have follow-up yet,
Okay.
so,
all right.
but still working on that one.
Okay. Thanks, Mark. Yeah, if anybody has any ideas about a DNR resource officer or person who would like to be a part of our team, please let me know. Shoot me an email with some contact info, and I will see if I can get a hold of them and they'd like to be a part of our team. When we're speaking about team members, I have to tell you, Jeff Whitman from Prevent Child Abuse has left the agency. And as of now, I have not heard as far as who the replacement will be for Jeff. So I will try to stay on top of that and make sure we have someone from Prevent Child Abuse here. And we are also without the DCS ombudsman. And I've got Joe working on trying to figure out who has taken Shoshana's position, if they've replaced that person yet, to have that person on the team replaced. Is there anybody else that anybody knows of? I think that covered everybody that has left. And anybody virtually, if you have anything you'd like to add, please put it in the Q&A section. Any other team business that we can discuss or we need to discuss? Quiet today. Aren't we a quiet group? Okay.
Well, I can just quickly add, so Alex Marcel is our new fellow at Riley. So this is his first time at the meeting today. So we're both glad to be here.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Glad to have you here and to hear your input. We do need to approve the memoranda from last month. I sent it to everyone in an email, And there are a few copies laying out on the table. If you want to take a quick look at that. Dr. Thompson, I don't know if you want to call the vote on this, or last time I just did is everybody approve and everybody approve? Anyone disagree with the memoranda? Speak now. Okay, then it will go, it'll move forward as it is. And that would be the end of our open session, unless someone has anything else that they would like to bring up. Talk about? Do you see anything, Jamie, in the Q&A? Anybody wants to talk about?
I do not.
Thank you, everyone, for attending the open session. I appreciate you having interest in statewide CFR.